Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. And who thought Nifty would break 17,900 today? And it was a hugely volatile market. And global cues were very good. Yesterday US markets in green, today Asian markets in green. We actually opened higher, but the selling started as usual. The selling was so severe, the Bank Nifty has fallen more than 600 point on top of 700 point fall yesterday, taking the total fall to 1300 points. And Nifty, in the morning I said Nifty is not likely to break 18,000. First Nifty broke 18,000, then after that I thought Nifty future will not break, that also broke 18,000 sorry, and then Nifty at some point of time even broke 17,900. And it was a vertical fall. Then don't know what happened. Last 1 hour there was a dramatic recovery. Nifty shot up more than 100 point and Bank Nifty shot up more than 300 point. And I thought domestic institutions have supported. But at the end of the day I was surprised to see even the domestic institutions were net sellers today. And after a long time today both FIIs and DIIs were net sellers. So that speaks volume about the volatility. And today, I would say nobody has expected, European markets were lower, but they were just, European markets were higher more than 3% in last 3 days. And today they are just 1/4% or 0.5% down. So not much. But here also, in the morning, Nifty was in green, while the Bank Nifty was in red. So we thought, so the selling is specific to Bank Nifty and Nifty will not fall. But the moment Nifty broke 18,000, which was considered as a very, very good support, and the vertical fall happened, another 100 point in Nifty, another 300 point in Bank Nifty. But however, what was more surprising, throughout the day, mid cap was in green. Throughout the day, small cap was in green. And here it's only concentrated selling on index heavyweights. And today the stock of the day, no need to say, it's a Bajaj Finance. So they came out with business prospects. Markets were not happy and Bajaj Finance fell 7%. And remember, with this fall, and Bajaj Finance has almost fallen 25%. And in fact, the year 22 was the first year where Bajaj Finance underperformed Nifty. And these are the long-term bull stories, and these bulls are getting exhausted and severe selling is happening. I hope it stabilizes at least around 6,000. Domestic institutions were net sellers, FIIs were net sellers, but then how come the last 1 hour Nifty shot up more than 100 point and Bank Nifty shot up more than 300 point? So probably people have shorted, and because the Nifty has fallen so much in 2 days, so probably they are covering their shorts. So that could be the only reason. So whatever it is, and 1 week has gone, and Nifty has not gone anywhere in the month of January. So I've been saying that, the first 1 or 2 weeks, the Nifty will make some kind of a trend. And that trend is likely to continue for the year. But so far 1 week is over and Nifty is not going anywhere. 2 days up, 1 day down, it goes like that only. So today, right now, the US futures are slightly higher. So we will see at least tomorrow if anything happens. And I think markets may be waiting for the corporate results to begin. So let us see tomorrow what happens. But as of now, in the monthly options, 18,000 put option is still having the highest open interest. But however, there was some unwinding. So you can break them into 3 components. Some people have squared up the position, some people have sold 18,000 call option and some other people are still holding the 18,000 put option. So that we will discuss later tomorrow. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.